Hi guys, in today's video we're going to look at hydrogen bonding, the properties of water, and finally an exam style question.
Well, hydrogen bonding is a special type of bonding. It occurs between hydrogen and oxygen, nitrogen and fluorine. Molecules containing OH, NH and FH bonds are polar with permanent dipoles, and these dipoles are particularly strong because oxygen, nitrogen and fluorine are so electronegative. And the permanent dipole-dipole interaction between molecules containing these bonds is a type of intermolecular bond that we call the hydrogen bond. And the hydrogen bond, in our hydrogen bond, the electron deficient hydrogen, which is slightly electropositive, is attracted to the lone pair of electrons on our oxygen, nitrogen or fluorine. So, as you can see in this diagram here, this is our hydrogen bond, as is this. It's the attraction between the electron deficient hydrogen and the lone pair of electrons. So let's look at the properties of water, which is given to it by hydrogen bonding. Water, we know, has a formula of H2O. Within our molecule we have one oxygen and two hydrogens which are covalently bound, but between our molecules of water we have these hydrogen bonds, these intermolecular forces, and that is what gives water these very interesting properties. The first interesting property it gives water is that its solid, ice, is actually less dense than its liquid, water, which is very unusual. When ice forms, the water molecules arrange themselves into an orderly pattern, into an open lattice. And in our open lattice, the hydrogen bonds hold the water molecules apart, allowing the ice to be less dense than the water and to actually float on the water, which explains why our icebergs can float on water. Water also has a relatively high melting and boiling point compared to what we would think if hydrogen bonds weren't present. If we think about H2O and compare it to H2S, hydrogen sulfide, which just has a sulfur instead of an oxygen, H2S has a much lower boiling point in comparison. And it is the hydrogen bonds present between the water molecules that give water this high melting and boiling point. Water also has some other special properties due to its hydrogen bonding, and those include a high surface tension and its viscosity. The surface tension shows in the fact that if you drop a bead of water onto a table, it doesn't splat everywhere. It actually holds itself in as a bead, as a little dome, and that's the high surface tension right there.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level chemistry videos, click the button. Join me today and together let's make A-level chemistry a walk in the park.